Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to cancel send friend request on Facebook. So let's start. First of all, you have to log into your Facebook account and then go to menu option on the top right corner of your screen. And in this section you just simply scroll down and select settings and privacy and then click on settings. And here you just simply scroll down and go to your information tab and then click on activity log, and then in this section again scroll down and click on connections and then click on send friend request. Here you see all the username which you sent a request to those person. So for cancel friend request you just simply go back to your home page, and in the search bar, you just type the name of the person and simply cancel the request. So I hope this video is beneficial for you. If you like the video, do like, share and subscribe our channel.